حرومزاده رو کشتن حرومزاده رو کشتن حرومزاده رو کشتن حرومزاده رو کشتن.
خامنه ایو میگن زدن، خامنه ایو زدن. وای وای بچه ها مبارکه مبارکه.
We are here today united to stand behind our brothers and sisters in Iran. This is not just a protest. This is the declaration of a nation reclaiming itself. The Iranian people have made it clear. This is not a call for reform. Our brothers and sisters did not die fighting for a better nuclear deal. This is a rejection of 47 years of occupation, terror, and imposed rule. They have chosen freedom. They have named their
بچه‌ها به سلامتی ایران. ای بهار آسمون ای میرم بخونم واسه زنم ای